Hi folks, in this video we want to download Google Earth's historical satellite imagery. For this purpose, we need to go to the AllMapSoft website. The link to the website is available in the description. By clicking on it, you'll be redirected to the website. As written, Google Earth Images Downloader is a tool that helps you to get offline satellite tile images from Google Earth, not Google Maps, including historical imagery. On the left side, we can see the download option. We can click on it and download the Google Earth Images Downloader. Below the download option, you can purchase the software lifetime license, which almost costs $55. In the free version, you can't download high-resolution images. After downloading the software file, install it. We've already installed it, and here you can see the software. In the task name section, we should set a name. And in the next item, that is Maps type, select the Google Earth Satellite Historical Imagery option. Now, open the Google Earth software. After finding your area, go back in time on the Google Earth. Then, we should get the coordinate of our area, so we can create a new place mark on the area. We go back to the Google Earth Images Downloader. And using the Google Earth date, enter the historical imagery date. We should also set the image zoom level. Obviously, the higher the zoom level, the better the image resolution and the larger the file size will be. Since the Google Earth coordinate format is latitude and longitude, so we have to convert it. So from the MISC menu, we can use the Convert option. It converts degrees, minutes, and seconds to decimal degrees. So we have to enter the geographic coordinates from Google Earth in here. Make sure to enter the coordinates correctly. Two coordinates are needed. First, we convert the longitude and latitude of the left place mark, then we move the place mark to another point and enter its coordinate. Once you click on Start, the images will begin to download. Since we set the zoom level to 21, the download process may take some time due to the large number of images. Once again, we set the zoom level to 19 to speed up the image download process. After finishing the download, select the Map Viewer option from Tools menu. This option will allow you to view the downloaded image. So from File, import the created task. Now go to the Tools menu and select the Map Combiner option. Since our images are separate, we're unable to use them one by one, so we should combine them to create a whole image. Here, import the Save task to combine it. You can see various output formats here. You can choose one of them based on your purpose. If you have different zoom levels, you can select each zoom level separately and apply the combine operation to the images. Here, the combine process was completed. Here, the output has been saved in various formats we selected. Now, we import the combined image to the QGIS software. As you can see, it was correctly positioned in the right coordinate system. You can activate Google Images. And you can see the changes as simple as that. Here we download a different date's imagery. We perform the map combiner again to merge the images into a single image in TIFF format. As you can see, two images from different times of the same location have been successfully downloaded. Make sure to pay attention to the image date during download to avoid any mistakes. Also, make sure to set the coordinate system as explained in the video to avoid any errors.